Hello my juicy queens, how are you all doing? Welcome today again to another full glam tutorial. I hope you guys are doing okay. So today we're going to be doing this full face here, and if you are new watching me, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my old subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back and supporting me. And if you're not subscribed and you're still watching me, kindly join this family. We create juicy content here. Everything about us is juicy. You don't want to miss that, right? And without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. And for this tutorial, I've prepped my eyes already. We're going to just hop straight into it. Stay tuned, enjoy it, get your glass of wine. Let's snatch this face, okay? I'm going to also use this contour palette on my eyes, and I'll use this. But for now, let's get into this tutorial, okay? So I'm going to start with this color right here. I'm going to use this bright color here. So I'm going to place that here. Just using this color as my transition shade. So I'm going more deep on this brown, and I'm blending it with, just taking it a little bit up to my transition area, just to blend in the two colors so that we don't have any harsh line. So I'm taking the transition shade again, and I'm going to blend in everything together. I'm going in with my micellar water and this cotton bud. I'm going to use that to clean my crease. Guys, to cut my crease, I'm going to use the NYX eyeshadow base. Just hope it doesn't disappoint. So I'm going to grab my Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm going to take very little, and I want to set that way we don't have any patchiness. Now I'm going to go in with this shade here. It's called Canna. Okay, now we have the eyes like this. I'm going to go back to this palette, and I'll start with this shade, this sculpt. Then I'll start building the color. So now we'll go back to this palette, and we'll take this dark contour color here, and we'll merge this together. Okay, I guess this eyes is completed. I'm going to pop on my lashes and come back. We'll do other tricks involved. So I'm going in with the L'Oreal Hydrogenous Aloe Water as my moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer you have. I'm going in with this Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. For my foundation, I'm going to be using the NYX Born to Glow in Mocha and Cappuccino. I'm going to mix the two. I'm going in with L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade 338. So I'm going in with the Matte and Poreless Powder by Maybelline. I'm going in with the CoverGirl Queen collection. This is in Ebony Bronze. So I'm going in with this Rimmel Maxi Blush. So I'm going in with this Get Gorgeous Technic highlighter. I just want a matte look, but I don't want anything too much. For my lips, I'm going to mix the Essence Deep Chocolate Eye Pencil and the Kiko Milano 320 Lip Pencil. I'm going to go in with this Kiko Milano Hydro Lip Gloss. I don't like the vibe, it's too dull. I'm going to go in with this to mix these two, the Milani Make It Last and the NYX together. So we have one more thing left. I'm going to take that white eyeshadow base we used before and I'm going to pop it here. And I'm going to pick this white color here. I'm going to smoke out my under eye using this color here. So guys, for my lower lashes, I'm using the Kiko Milano mascara. Alright, juicy queens, we've come to the end of this tutorial. I enjoyed creating this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And if you're an old subscriber watching me, thank you so much for your support, for your love, and everything you guys do for me. I appreciate that so much. Share my videos with your loved ones. Spread the love, guys. Don't forget to come back and check my other videos as well if you have not watched them. I love you guys so much. Bye. I don't know why I keep flinging my hand. Like, is it because of the look?